Go Dog Go by P.D. Eastman. Go Dog Go. Dog.
Big dog.
Big dog. Little dog.
Big dog. Little dog.
Big dogs and little dogs. Black and white dogs. Hello.
Hello.
Do you like my hat?
No. Goodbye.
Goodbye. One little dog going in. 3 big dogs going out. A red dog on a blue tree. A blue dog on a red tree. A green dog on a yellow tree.
I say car.
Some big dogs, some little dogs going around in cars. A dog out of a car.
My favorite dog.
2 big dogs going up. 1 little dog going down.
Ma.
Whee! Up, 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 down. The green dog is up. The yellow dog is down. The blue dog is in. The red dog is out.
Yeah. Nope.
1 dog up on a house. 3 dogs down in the water. A green dog over a tree. A yellow dog under a tree.
My green.
2 dogs in a house on a boat in the water. A dog over the water. A dog under the water. Hello again. Do you like my hat?
No.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Go right
The
again.
dogs are all going around and around and around.
Go round again.
That's right. Go around again. Oof. The sun is up. The sun is yellow. The yellow sun is over the house.
My hat.
That doggy's hot.
No hat.
It is hot out here in the sun. It is not hot here under the house. Now it is night. 3 dogs at a party on a boat at night. Dogs at work. Work dogs work.
Dog.
Dogs at play.
Hey.
Play dogs play.
Dog. Oh no.
Hello again.
Oh no.
Do you like my hat?
Mommy hat. Nope.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Dogs and cars again. Going away fast.
You.
Look at those dogs go. Go, dogs, go. Stop, dogs, stop. The light is red now. Go, dogs, go. The light is green now. 2 dogs at play up on top.
Go down.
That's right. Go down, doggies. Do not play up there. Go down. Now it is night.
Ma.
Night is not a time for play.
Ma.
Oh, he's awake. It is time for sleep. The dogs go to sleep. They will sleep all night, except
you
for him. Count? 1,
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, wide awake, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 doggies. I didn't forget any. Now it is day. The sun is up. Now it is time for all dogs to get up.
Ma.
Get up. It is day. Time to get going. Go, dogs, go. He's asleep. He's not getting up, huh?
No.
Say, get up, doggy.
Get up, doggy.
There they go. Look at those dogs go. Why are they going fast in those cars? What are they going to do? Where are those dogs going? Nathan, where are they going?
Park. Tree.
With the tree, that's right.
There.
Look, where are they going?
Tree.
They're all going to that big tree over there.
Petty tree.
Now the cars stop. Now all the dogs get out. And now look where those dogs are going.
Tree
To
patty.
the tree, to the tree. Up the tree, up the tree. Up they go to the top of the tree. Why?
Booty.
Will they work there? Will they play there? What is up that tree?
Petty tree.
A dog party. A big dog party. Big dogs, little dogs, red dogs, blue dogs, yellow dogs, green dogs, black dogs, white dogs, all at a dog party. What a dog party!
Oh,
You gotta take a blah blah blah. Why would he nap in that party? It looks like he's in the tree. You see his arm
yeah.
and no body.
The feet.
I see another hand, no body.
Feet. The body.
Right.
Ready.
Huh? Hello again, and now do you like my hat?
One hat.
You say, I do.
Two.
What a hat. I like it. I like that party hat. Goodbye. Goodbye, Nathan.
Goodbye.